Step 1. On your PC. On your PC, go to Google, and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Enter the first link. Click on Add to Chrome. Add app. Open up Chrome Remote Desktop. Under My Computers, press Get Started. Enable remote connections. Accept and install. Save and install it. Set a PIN code. This will be used on your Android device in order to connect to your PC. Press OK and wait a little. This will be your remote PC name. Step 2. On your Android device, go to the Play Store and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Install and open it. This is your PC, just click it and enter the PIN code you have set earlier. Swipe your finger in order to move the mouse and view parts of your PC screen. Pinch the screen with 2 fingers in order to zoom in. All done. Please subscribe.